Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through how to apply an overpayment to an account and what that's going to look like on the customer side. So what we'll do is go ahead and click create and then payment, and let's select a customer. So let's select this customer here, and let's say they're paying a few months in advance. So we'll do a large number. Let's say they gave us a check. We can enter our check number and the date of that payment. There's another video going through adding a payment, so if you'd like a slower version, you can check that out. And then we'll go here and we have some open invoices, so we'll apply, we'll go next. If we wanted to add an image, and then we can save an email receipt or print. Today we just saved. And then let's take a look at the customer's account. So we see here we have a negative 400, which means the customer has a credit of $400. So if we go down here, we can pop open these two payments we made, and then we can also see this one that says overpayment. So this overpayment will have that amount of 400, which is the credit on the account, and it will not be attached to an invoice. So when we are ready to create a new invoice, or maybe this customer is on monthly auto billing and we'll generate an invoice for them, this is what you will see on the account. So let's go ahead and create an invoice. We'll put in some random information and watch how the overpayment will grab the new invoice. So we'll go ahead and select something that's over the amount so that we can see it apply. Now let's save. And once we've saved our information, we'll be loaded to a new screen. We see our new invoice that is partially paid because it still has a balance on it. And we see now that overpayment tag is removed, and this has been applied to the correct invoice number. So that's what you should see with overpayments. If you have any questions about overpayments or what to do on an account, please let us know. You can also just create an overpayment, and maybe like the customer wanted to pay 6 months in advance. Maybe you create a 6-month invoice, take them off of auto billing for that time, and apply the payment so the account is balanced and the customer is not getting a monthly invoice. Or you could change their invoice to print so that it's not going out every month, but they're still being generated with the rest, so that when it runs out, you can make sure to get that invoice to the customer. So just let us know if you have any questions or any thoughts on what best ideas would be. We'd be happy to help you navigate. Okay, thank you.